What's up, everybody? Welcome to another Madden 19 Ultimate Team video. Today, we officially, 15 minutes ago, the Blitz promo just went live. We're going to be looking at some things, and we're going to be covering some of the items that are being released. So, real quickly, before we get into some packs, I do want to look at who some of the players are and what some of the ratios are. If you have not been a part of this in the past, one of the things that you'll want to know when it comes to this promo is, in some senses, it's a money promo, but what you have is every couple of hours from now till I believe next week or the beginning of next week, you're going to have certain players to come out. Now, the key is there's these Blitz tokens which you can use to create these sets which come live at certain time slots. For example, here you have 87 overall Bud Dupree. He comes live 11/22 at 8 p.m. You have this 91 LaShawn McCoy, who is probably going to be very good. Anybody who uses 87, that was a good card, but this 91, the elusiveness is probably going to be great along with catch. They have this Evan Ingram that's going to go live. And if you look, each of them have, for example, Bud Dupree, it says 13 Blitz tokens. And once you create the player, what ends up happening is it's going to give you 6 Blitz Master Discs. So every player will give you Master Discs. So that way you can go ahead and create this Blitz Master Deion Sanders, who looks absolutely incredible. He is a 95 speed. I believe it's a 95 overall. It looks like you need 150 Blitz Master tokens. So if you look at the ratio, just doing some quick math, for example, if you do this 91 LaShawn McCoy, it would take you 47 Blitz tokens. Now, what you're going to want to do, if we go to 47 and we divide that by the number of Blitz tokens that it actually gives you. So let's do that real quick. 47 divided by 25. That ratio is 1.88 per Blitz Master token. So that's not a bad return. He's a decent player. If you look at the Bud Dupree, if you went and used 13 of your Blitz tokens, right, you divide that by 6. I believe I'm doing that wrong. I mean, I'm doing it right. That is a 2.16 ratio. So let's take a look at these. So far, the best ratio that I have seen so far are these 91s. So again, if you use 47 Blitz tokens, in return, you're going to get 25 Blitz Master tokens. That's a ratio of 1.88. So far, this LaShawn McCoy and this Jason McCourty are good value. If we look at this here, it's 13.6. It's the same. This 91 Eric Ebron looks pretty good. Again, 47 divided by 25, that's 1.88. So those are pretty good values. Let's look at these higher overalls. So here it's 65 Blitz tokens, and they'll give you 35 back. So you divide it by 35, and that is a 1.85. So this 92 is pretty good value right here if you complete these players. So what you're going to want to do early on is figure out where you want to use your Blitz tokens, because that's going to determine how many Blitz Master Discs you get back. So again, we're going through this pretty quick. This Deshaun Watson looks pretty good too. Again, 65 Blitz tokens. You divide that by 35 Blitz Master tokens. That's a 1.85. So LaMarcus Joyner has the same ratio. Let's look at the big boys. So 93 overall Tyreek Hill. Let's look at this. 90 Blitz tokens divided by 49. That is a 1.83 value on Blitz Master tokens. So this set here, along with this Ezekiel Elliott, if you did both of those there, let's say you did both of these sets, that's 90 Blitz tokens, you'll get 49. So what is that? 98. So you would have to complete Tyreek Hill, Ezekiel Elliott, and you could probably get away with doing one of these 92s and then one of these lower all 87s to get the master set. And then also, That's every 12 hours. Those will be unlocked. And then every 4 hours, if you want to go this route, it's, it says 7 Blitz tokens. You'll get a clutch pack, and then you'll get, additional 3 Blitz master tokens. Let's just see what this ratio is. So 7 divided by 3, 2.33. That's not very good value. So again, you're going to want to go in and check it out for yourself. From what I understand right now, there is a limited time Desean Jackson in packs. So let's rip a few of these packs. We're not sure if we're going to rip any bundles. What I think I am going to do is wait to rip some bundles later on this evening. So let's go ahead and look at this pack. Contains 3 Blitz tokens, which is not bad. So that's probably going to average the Blitz tokens to about 10K. You get 276 overall gold or better players, 172 overall gold or better player, 168. Now, if we look at the ratio, it doesn't really tell us, as you get 3 Blitz tokens. So let's take a look. Let's rip a few of these and see what happens. Okay, so you get the 3 Blitz tokens. So we'll just rip this here, and let's check out this animation. Okay, it's a little blocky animation. I'm digging the animations this year. Okay, so let's go ahead and rip this pack. You know what? Let's just get another one. We're going to rip a few. Again, we're not sure what we're going to do. I just wanted to get a quick video out to see, what we're working with. Again, that bundle looks decent. So we'll take a look at the bundle real quick and see what that value is. So here you get 12 Blitz packs for 5,800 points. You get a total of 23 Blitz tokens. So not too bad. And you get 24 silver or better players and 59 team. So let's take a look at what that is. Again, we have 2 bundles. 2 that we already ripped. We're going to do one more, and let's see if we can get something decent. All right. So let's back out of this. Let me know if you're excited about it. I will tell you the Tyreek Hill looks pretty good. That Desean Jackson, we'll look at his stats after. Hopefully we pull him. So let's take a look. 35,000 coins. What did he get me? Okay, harvest player. Oh, we get an elite off the rip. I'll take that. What is this? That's actually not that bad of a pack. All right, let's keep going. Let's see what we can get. If these packs have decent value, I will rip some. So we currently have, what, 1.7 million. I do have the Tyreek Hill Primetime Performer that I saved because I'm probably just going to quick sell him and use it towards this promo. Even though he just got his 94 overall. So here we got 2 harvest tokens. It looks like these packs are spitting out those harvest tokens. So what I foresee happening is that the set to complete the sweetness and the LT, it's probably going to go down. So what's going to end up happening is those players, I think their prices will probably be cut in half, and this may tank the market, depending on what the value is on these packs. Also, at 12 midnight, Black Friday, technically, they're going to release new packs, which if you were ever going to spend some money on the promo, now is the time to do it because you know what you're going to get out of the promo. Last year at 12 midnight, they actually put, I believe, like close to 1,000 or 2,000, what was it, Fire Fantasy packs. So that's something you're going to want to do. Again, be up at 12. You're going to get some new packs, and then also some more packs will come out in the morning. So let's see what we get. We're going to rip one more, and then I'm going to probably just be ripping packs, seeing what we can get. The other thing that I'm thinking of doing is I'm hoping that Coach Madden goes pretty low in price. If he drops down to under 800K, I think I'm going to pick him up because I have close to 150 of the tokens. So, I'm hoping that we can, use those tokens to get the Tier 2 and Tier 3 Madden. That way I don't have to grind to 200 to get the coach and then grind an additional 200 tokens. That's 400 tokens to get to tier 3. So this is where we're at. Again, this is a quick video as we get a legend piece. And we get a Bradley Chubb. It's not too bad of a pack opening so far. So let's go ahead and let's do one more. Let's do one more. Just to give you an idea of what's in these packs. Can we get a Desean Jackson? He is in packs. Again, this is a quick video just to kind of show you a brief overview. I'm going to be coming in, doing some more studying, figure out what it's going to take to get these players. I do plan to get the Tyreek Hill. I also plan to get that Deion Sanders. So I'm going to do one more. And we spent, what, close to 200,000 coins. And I don't know how many Blitz tokens we're going to have, but we're going to already be able to complete some of these players. Alright, let's see. Can we clutch something out? No. Something tells me do one more. I'm going to do one more. Let's see if we can clutch something out. And again, these Blitz tokens are going to eventually help me anyway. So we're going to be good. I have some players that I do plan on selling. So we'll get our coin stack to over 2.3 million. And let's see what we get here. 84. Football Outsider. So far these packs don't, they're not too bad of a value. Again, I hope you liked the video. I'll be coming back at you at 12 o'clock. I will be eventually streaming and seeing what we got. So let's count these real quick. What do we get? So we have 3 Blitz tokens. So 8 times 3. We have 24 Blitz tokens there. And then I believe we have some that we already opened. So I should have close to 30 Blitz tokens. And we're going to save them tokens up because we're going to get that Tyreek Hill for sure. Let's take a look at how many elites we got out of those packs. So let me see first. Okay, so we do already have 30 Blitz tokens. So again, it's going to be like 600,000 if you do the math. If you just use coins to rip those packs to get the 90 Blitz tokens that you would need. So again, I think that Deion Sanders will probably go for 1.5 and then he'll eventually drop. So out of those packs, what did we get? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elites only. So temper your expectations. However, remember, you can't win if you do not play. Last thing I want to do is let's take a look at this Desean Jackson that's been popping out of packs. And let's see where we stand. Let's take a look. He's going to be quick. Desean Jackson's going to be quick. So let's take a look at the Blitz. 93 overall Desean Jackson going for 600K. And 93 speed, 87 jumping, 94 catching, 90 short route running. Which that means you're going to be able to put playmaker on him. 88 medium route running, 93 deep route running, 93 spectacular catch, 89 catch in traffic. And his acceleration, 92. Carrying 70. Let's take a look at some of these other stats. Run block 37, which is pretty bad. And elusiveness 90. Ball carrier vision 90. Juke 93. And spin move 90. So if you put either go deep on him or if you put zone run, he's going to meet them good thresholds. So again, this is Mutt Rock. Like and subscribe, comment down below. Again, just trying to bring some fresh content out. We will go ahead and crunch some numbers. I'll figure out the best method